awuseva abantu sibili ungweta ozwayo manje wasungena njani kulokhu imtshina phela imjikajika leyo ukuthi uyabubamba iplane lento ezinjalo wangena njani khonokho
sathi sisemhali basihambise trip elokhuzeni airport laphayana eyasebulawayo manje bathi Joshua Mqabuko yes kathe sebeyitshintsha igama saya e-airport Bulawayo airport ngafika laphana ngabona izindiza ngathi I want to be a pilot masilaphana badlula abantu but angiboni umfazi ngibona amadoda so enhlizweni yami ngithi maybe it's not for women but uteacher mase sifika sikhuluma eclassini liboneni uyasho ukuthi even women can be pilots so that's where my dream started laphana ku school trip so ngithi ngiliweta lapho umama waseshona so ngingathi my dream was buried along with my mom because kwasokumele manje ngibheke abosisi bami abawu2 abanami abayi2 me being the eldest and then lo mntanami so irresponsibility bese too much ukuthi I could not raise money to be a pilot so ngathi uNkulunkulu kayenza intando yakhe ngizoyenza ubuweta while ngiweta I would get ama customer don't you want to do modeling so I did even modeling while I was doing waitering as well because I believe ukuthi yonke into yenzayo you must do it with excellence people will see ukuthi ubaseva ngenhliziyo enjani une attitude unjani mentality yakho injani so to me I made sure ukuthi manginabo lapha ngiyaxoxa bangibuze what is your plan Precious ngibatshela ukuthi hayi mina kanje bese thina sinabantu esibaziye eDubai kune website ethile why don't you apply and go to Dubai so that's how from waitering I went to being a waitress as well in Dubai
yeah so what usungena ku website wagcina usungena njani wa-connecta njani
ngahamba ku-OVC website it's a non-website nga-apply laphana for i-waitering in Dubai ngayenza ama-interviews wonke virtually at that time and then I joined ngahamba nje first time endizeni ngahamba ngingazi nomuntu ngale abelungu babana bafika bathi okay siyakuthanda start a job but it wasn't what I had anticipated so fika ngaleso ku deduct izimali ezithile susala le nothing to send home you know overseas yes but overseas you are making money kanti yo
akula next
yes so ngaya laphana eDubai ngafika ngasebenza for only 3 months ngiqhubeke mangisebenza ngiyazitshela ukuthi kumele ngisebenze ngenhliziyo yami yonke ngisebenze ukuthi umuntu ongibhekileyo uyakhuthazeka uyakwazi ukungibuza ukuthi kanti uplan kwenzani ngempilo yakho kanjalo manje ngithe ngilaphayana bangitshela bathi Qatar Airways iyahaya abangani bami bathi masambe siyo ku interview yani yase Qatar Airways ukuthi sibe yini flight attendants cabin crew ngahamba nabangani bami besi6 mina bengingekho that much qualified ngoba ngangicede iO level kuphela ngisayanga nase university so ngahamba laphana for interview bebefuna ugcoka ihile ethile ugcoka impahla ezithile bengazi nokuhamba ngehile
wena uhamba yakhubeka
yes ngihamba ngathi ngiyakhubeka but amanga abangani bami laba bayi6 bathatha mina ngedwa so I made it to Qatar after interview leyana umuntu lona wathi igama lakho nguPrecious are you sure kanjani ngathi yes igama lami nguPrecious wangithanda lo umuntu obethatha interview wathi you are from Zimbabwe balishwana abantu baseZimbabwe kule area so wangijabulela wasengithatha so I worked at Qatar Airways for 5 years